to today's video. Guess what? Do you wish you could just put something on your face at night and wake up in the morning and look all radiant, glowing, younger, tight skin, wrinkle-free skin? Guess what? Today we're gonna be mixing just that. I have a wonderful mix for you. This mix is so good. This mix is one that you're gonna just put all over your face, your neck, your décolleté area. Go to night, wake up in the morning looking fresh, radiant, and glowing. I can't wait to share this mix with you. So if you're interested, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in 1, 2, 3. Our first ingredient is shea butter, and I'm using about an ounce of shea butter. Shea butter has high concentration of fatty acid and vitamins, and that makes it an ideal skin softener. Shea butter also has anti-inflammatory properties, and using shea butter on the face can condition, tone, smooth, and also clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes. Our next ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil has a lot of antibacterial properties and antifungal properties. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer. It can penetrate the skin as well as help to get rid of dry skin, leaving your skin clear and smooth. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel, and this is 100% pure natural aloe vera gel, and this is what our aloe vera gel look like. Aloe vera is filled with a lot of antioxidant properties that is great for the skin. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to soften the skin. It helps to make the skin appears younger, subtle looking, and it is also great for clearing spots from the skin. Now I'm going to use some optional ingredients such as rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is great for the aging skin. If you are between 25 and upwards, make it your best friend. Rosehip oil is also great for acne skin. It's good for oily skin. It's good for dry skin. It helps to clear the skin, and it is also great for getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Now here is another optional ingredient, and this one is an anti-aging treatment, retinol, vitamin A. So you don't have to use it if you are under 25. You could just leave this out. If you are over 25, apply a bit of a vitamin A, okay? But it's optional. And vitamin A, like I said, is anti-aging. It's gonna help to make the skin appears younger. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is to melt the shea butter, and the easy way to melt the shea butter is to melt it in a double boiler. If you do not have a double boiler, not to worry, just get a container, place your shea butter in the container. You're gonna pour your hot water in the container, and then you're gonna leave your shea butter in the hot water to melt. Also choose to put your shea butter in the hot water like this and put it in the microwave for a couple of seconds. It's almost there. I'm just trying to get rid of the last little lump. Be careful, the glass is gonna be a bit hot. Remove the water. And here we have our melted shea butter. Now here is our shea butter, and you want to add the rest of the ingredient to this while it is warm. And this is about 3 tablespoons of melted shea butter. The first thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a rounded teaspoon. For our optional ingredient, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil. You can also add jojoba oil. And since I need vitamin A in mine, I'm going to use 2 capsules. Now, vitamin A is very strong, guys.
So be careful the amount you use. Like for this mixture, you just need about 2, the most 3 capsules. So do not overuse your vitamin A. And now I'm gonna mix this in. Make sure to blend well. The aloe vera gel is gonna take a while to blend out, so just keep blending until everything is mixed together. Now you can also add some vitamin E oil to this, okay? Now once this is ready, you're going to set it aside to cool, because right now it is a little warm. It's best to pour it in the container that you're going to leave it in. Now to store, try to store in a open mouth jar like the one I'm showing here. You can use any of your old moisturizer jar, okay? Now here it is, our wonderful treatment. You're going to use this at night, and in the morning when you wake up, you are going to be amazed at the transformation of your face. You're going to be looking so much younger, so much fresher. Your skin is going to be glowing. It's going to be radiant. Now let me stop the talking and show you how to apply this before bed.
Before you apply this wonderful treatment, you need to prepare the skin. To prepare the skin, you simply need to wash your face. Now, after washing, you're gonna practice to 2 to 3 times per week to exfoliate the skin. When you exfoliate the skin, you're getting rid of all the dead skin cells and the dirt, and that's gonna leave your skin clean so that it could absorb this treatment. Now to use the treatment, it's best to use on damp skin. So after washing your face, you're going to take a little of the treatment. Do not contaminate the treatment. So try to pour the treatment in your hands like this, just a little bit. You're going to warm the treatment in your hand. Just warm it up. Warm it up. Once it is warmed, you're going to apply it to your face. You're just going to press it in, and you want to be generous with this, okay? So just press it in. Press it in the skin. It's okay to press it under the eyes. Don't forget the areas where you tend to have fine lines and wrinkles. Don't forget around the mouth. Press it. Don't forget your chin, especially if you're having sagging skin. Just don't forget your skin, okay? So apply the treatment, and I go crazy. I go all the way down the neck, the décolleté, and personally for me, I use it all over my body. Now once you apply this, you're just gonna let it stay just like that, and you're gonna go to bed. Up on the horizon in the mornings, you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna just massage the skin a bit. Basically, the oil will totally disappear from your skin. What you're gonna find is that your skin will be looking so plump, your skin will be looking so radiant. You will notice that your fine lines and wrinkles has diminished somewhat, and not only that, you're gonna have this wonderful glow to your skin. Now if you continue to use this treatment, after a while you're gonna be looking so much younger, so much fresher, radiant. Your skin is gonna be tight, your neck is gonna be tight, and you're just gonna be looking gorgeous. And there you have it. Just try this remedy. Remember, clean skin first, and then you apply the treatment. If you have wrinkle on your hands, if your hands is looking aged, you can also use this treatment just the way you use it on your face, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment and share the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it before you share it. And then guess what? If this was the first time watching, subscribe. Look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it. Don't forget though to click that little bell also. That way, each time I upload a video, you will get a notification right away. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.